What is up, guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Grab stock, ticker symbol GRAB. Grab is a really interesting stock because they are slowly turning profitable, and these are when you guys want to get into these long-term stocks. Stuff like Hims 2 quarters ago when they finally switched profitable, and now it looks like they're exploding higher. Same with stuff like Palantir, SoFi, etc. So this is a company that has the possibility to do that in the coming future. So I do want to go ahead and break that down for you guys. Before I do get into this video, though, make sure you guys do like, subscribe, and comment down below what videos you guys want to see next, as it does greatly help out the channel. And then also, if you guys are new, make sure you guys do get down in the Discord link down below. Join up for free. We have over 500 plus members over there, so come join us down in the description below. I do want to quickly talk about Grab and what they do, and then we'll go ahead and get into the chart. So Grab is a Singaporean-based all-in-one type travel app. So you can basically download this app, say you're traveling to Singapore, and you can get a rental car, a hotel, you can get to-go food, etc. You can get an Uber, all of that, all in this one app. So it is a very user-friendly app, and it has been showing great growth here with 17% year-over-year growth up to $716 million from Q3 2024. Grab also reported its second positive profit quarter in a row with $15 million coming in Q3 2024. And while this isn't, any share of, this is not great growth yet. This is not great profitability yet, but you have to eventually get there and you have to start that cycle. And they're starting to do that cycle right now. Their EBITDA improved, reaching $90 million, which is a 224% year-over-year increase. And then their cash flow reached $338 million from Q3. Those are just some quick notes that I have on Grab. But let's go ahead and jump right into the stock. Those financials that I just read off, the breakdowns, they're interesting. They're growing for sure. But at the pace that they're growing, I do still have some more questions before I begin to position myself. I think this is a good grab. I think there is a lot of, there's a good risk to reward with this stock in my opinion. So I do have this drawn out here really in this Elliott wave theory, where you can see we kind of just completed wave 1 of this small move, moving down to wave 2, and it looks like we actually did bounce perfectly off of what would be our wave 2, giving me some strong conviction that this was the actual completion of a wave 2, and we have our correct wave 1, which is really good that we can identify this so early on in this stock cycle that we're having with Grab here. So we can go ahead and forecast out some targets here, looking at the 1618 at $8.81, which would be a pretty good return. And then from there, we'd theoretically drop down to around our support over here, around $7.12, and then move up to our 2618 at $11.55. This is something that could come by the end of the year, especially if they can record a good quarter coming up. And, if they can, this could actually happen a lot quicker than you think. Going from this wave 2 bounce, you'd see up to around that $8.88, we would have around 102% return right there. So that would be a pretty good return just from wave 3. This could be, a 3-month play, 2-month play. Once this thing does get some momentum, it has gotten a lot of Twitter eyes recently, which does kind of indicate to me sometimes, retail's starting to get in, and that's when things start to pick up. Because honestly, a lot of, these hedge funds will just end up shorting it down if they didn't get back in, and which isn't a problem for us investors, as we do understand that. And, we have strong conviction in holding, and we've talked about this before. But moving up to our 5th wave here, you'd see that would be 165%. And that's only to $11, guys. The market cap for this thing is only, I believe, like $3 or $4 billion. So this thing really could, 10x, honestly, in the next few years. It's not out of the picture. Just getting back up to all-time highs for this stock from where we are today would be another 300%. So, in the coming years, you could definitely see that happen. There is a world where this stock is at $15 after their next earnings. I mean, with stocks this low, at a $4.90 target or price right now, you can definitely see these stocks exploding higher. I mean, they can trade like a penny once, a good quarter comes out or something changes in their financial, they report good guidance. Something like that can change a stock's whole entire trajectory and career on the stock market. And really, for the good and for the bad, of course. But we're looking at the good here. Hopefully we can get a good quarter from Grab, and maybe we do get a good explosion. Maybe that thing does end up at around $8.81 following earnings or their next quarter, or maybe they have some good guidance or release the next product, so on and so forth. A lot of things can add to a small company like this, and almost anything can be bullish when you break it down, because everything's going to help them at this point. It might set them back a quarter, but at the end of the day, they're all going to be growing. If you do have strong conviction that this company can continue, I would 100% suggest buying it now with this low valuation. This is the time that you'd want to get in. And with them slowly turning profitable, doing that 2 quarters in a row, if we can get that in the 3rd quarter, once again, I will 100% be interested in this stock. But that is going to be it for me, guys. Make sure you guys do like, subscribe, and comment down below what videos you guys want to see next, as well as get in the description down below and join up on our free Discord. Also, we have videos on each side of me right now, so make sure you guys do check out those, and I'll see you guys in the next video.